Students, this is the class for 4th standard science subject. Okay, our third lesson in science is work and energy. Okay, in last class we have seen the definition of work and the energy, and also the types of energy like mechanical energy, electrical energy, wind energy. Okay, so to continue that lesson, now we are going to learn about the renewable resources. Okay, renewable resources in Tamil, this is called as புதுப்பிக்கக்கூடிய ஆற்றல். Okay, in Tamil we called it as புதுப்பிக்கக்கூடிய ஆற்றல். Okay, that means the resources which are easily replaced naturally. Okay, the resources. Okay, resources means ஆதாரங்கள். Okay, or ஆற்றல். Okay, so the resources which are easily replaced naturally over a long period of time. Okay, for a long period of time we can use the resources. Okay, like wind energy. Okay, then water energy, then heat energy. Okay, so these are all from the some sources. For example, the heat energy means where we get it from the sun. Okay, sun is the primary source of energy, so the heat energy is obtained from the sun. Okay, and water energy is obtained from the dam. Okay, water dam, like that. Okay, so these are the sources which are easily replaced naturally. Okay, and the sun and water are naturally occurred resources. Okay, so naturally over a long period of time. Okay, then next one is these types of resources are used for a long period of time. Okay, so these renewable resources that are used for a this renewable resources that are used for a long period of time. Okay, from a front of the human life to the end of the human life. Okay, so this will be used from a long period of time. Since the beginning of the human life, we have been using these resources. Which resources? Renewable resources. Okay, so from the human life starting, that is from the till now, till today we are using the renewable resources. Okay, so we use these resources for light, transport, cooking and heating. Okay, so the renewable resources is used in the case of light purposes, then heating purposes, cooking purposes, and also the transport purposes. Okay, for example, wind and water. Okay, wind is nothing but air. Okay, wind is nothing but simply air, but there is one point, that is the moving air is called as wind. Okay, the moving air is called as wind. Okay, wind is not a simply air. Okay, moving air is called as a wind. In Tamil என்ன சொல்லலாம் அப்படின்னா, இப்போ the wind means air. Okay, air means what? காற்று. Okay, in Tamil we call it as காற்று. Okay, so is it rest means, okay, rest placeல இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா that is called as air. Okay, rest place means எந்த விதமான மூவிங்மே. Okay, without the moving இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா that is called as air. Okay, when it started to moving, okay, எப்போ அது மூவ் ஆக ஸ்டார்ட் ஆக ஆரம்பிக்குதோ, okay, மூவ் ஆகவோ ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகவோ ஆரம்பிக்குதோ from one place to another place. Okay, at that time the air is called as moving air or wind. Okay, understand students? At that time the air is called as moving air or wind. Okay, in Tamil we called it as naharum kaatru. Okay, naharum காற்று. ரெஸ்ட் பிளேஸ்ல இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா we can tell as air. Okay, otherwise it start to moving means we called it as moving air. Okay, that is wind. Then the second one is what means non renewable resources. Okay, first one is renewable resources and second one is non renewable resources. Okay, so this means the resources which are not easily, okay, the resources which are not, okay, easily replaced once used are called the non renewable resources. Renewable resources means என்ன சொன்ன தமிழ்ல புதுப்பிக்கக்கூடிய ஆற்றல். ஓகே, அது புதுப்பிக்கக்கூடிய ஆதாரங்கள். ஓகே, நான் ரெனியூவபிள்ஸ் அப்படின்னா புதுப்பிக்க முடியாத ஆதாரங்கள். ஓகே, the next one is what means example for the non-renewable resources. Okay, the first one is coal. Okay, in Tamil we called it as nilakari. Okay, then the second one is petrol. Okay, you know the petrol. Then last one is natural gas. Natural gas means, for example, we have to consider the methane. okay, methane gas, which is produced from the cow dung, okay, in Tamil we call it as smart chanam, no, okay, so this natural gas methane is produced from cow dung, okay, so these are the different types of examples for the non-renewable resources, okay. Then next one is what means more to know, okay, your book they are given the more to know box, no, okay, so that is in that they are giving the law of conservation of energy state that, okay, so this law of conservation of energy is nothing but one concept, okay, one concept or one phenomena, okay, in Tamil karuthu, okay, so according to this law states that the energy cannot created nor destroyed, okay, the energy cannot created, okay, or otherwise nor destroyed, that means in Tamil the energy means ஆற்றல், okay, ஆற்றலை ஆக்கவோ அழிக்கவோ முடியாது, okay, cannot created ஆக்கவும் முடியாது or nor destroyed அழிக்கவும் முடியாது, ஓகேவா. so the energy cannot created nor destroyed but it can be converted from one form of energy to other form of energy, okay, one form of energy ல இருந்து other form of energy க்கு transfer பண்ணலாம் but it cannot be created or nor destroyed, okay, ஆற்றலை ஆக்கவோ அழிக்கவோ முடியாது but one type of energy is converted into another type of energy, okay, that will made by us, okay. For example, if we take the water heater means, okay, by using of the electricity we can heat the water, okay, you know the in the case of a water heater, okay, if we take the example for water heater means by using of the electricity we can heat the water, okay, so in this case the electrical energy is converted into the heat energy, okay, how by using the electricity we can have the electrical energy, okay, by using that நம்ம என்ன செய்றோம், அந்த electrical energy யூஸ் பண்ணி வாட்டரை ஹீட் பண்றோம், ஓகேவா. so ஃபைனலா நமக்கு கிடைச்ச ப்ராடக்ட் is nothing but the heat energy, okay, சுடு தண்ணி, ஓகேவா. so that heat water is known as the heat energy, okay. so here the electrical energy, okay, electrical energy is converted into heat energy, okay, this is in the case of the water heater. Same in the case of the wet grinder, the mechanical energy, okay, mechanical energy is converted in electrical energy is converted into mechanical energy. How means by using of the electricity, okay, current use பண்ணி அந்த அரிசி அந்த மாவை என்ன பண்றோம், நம்ம கிரைண்ட் பண்றோம், ஓகேவா, அரிசியை மாவா கிரைண்ட் பண்ண வைக்கிறோம் using of the electricity that is converted into the mechanical energy. mechanical energy means இயந்திர ஆற்றல். so அந்த இயந்திரம் என்ன பண்ணுது, ஒரு மிஷின் வந்து அதை அரைக்குது, ஓகேவா. so if we take the wet grinder case means by using of the electrical energy we have to convert the mechanical energy, okay. same as in the case of the electrical fan, okay, by using of the electricity, okay, in the case of here the electrical fan we take means by using of the electricity we can get the cooler, okay, air cooler இருக்குல அந்த சொல்றோம், okay. so here also the machine is rotated, okay, so that is nothing but the mechanical energy, okay. if we take the windmill means here the mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy. You understand students? if we take the windmill, okay, காற்றாலை எடுத்துட்டோம் அப்படின்னா அங்கே மெக்கானிக்கல் எனர்ஜி, அந்த windmill வந்து ரொட்டேட் ஆகிறது வந்து மெக்கானிக்கல் எனர்ஜி, அப்போ அதுலேருந்து நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுறோம், கரண்ட் எடுக்கிறோம், okay, we produce the electricity, okay. so here the mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy. same if we take the case of water dam, okay, கரண்ட் எங்கேருந்து எடுக்கிறோம், தண்ணியிலேருந்து எடுக்கிறோம், எங்கே வாட்டர் டேமில், அந்த சோர்ஸ் வந்து என்னது வாட்டர் டேம் மீன்ஸ் ஹியர் அந்த என்ன சொல்கிறோம், அந்த வாட்டர் டர்பைன் இருக்கும் பெரிய டேம்லாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா தெரியும். ஸோ அந்த டர்பைன் வந்து என்ன செய்யும், ரொட்டேட் ஆகிட்டே இருக்கும். ஸோ தட் எனர்ஜி இஸ் த மெக்கானிக்கல் எனர்ஜி. பட் அதுலேருந்து நம்ம என்ன எடுக்கிறோம், ஃப்ரம் த we can get the electricity, okay. so here the mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy, okay students. then the SI unit, okay, so the SI unit is you will briefly learn in your higher classes, okay, that is 7th and 8th standard classes, okay. but now you have to know, okay, so the SI unit of energy is joule, okay, SI unit of energy is joule, okay. how we can pronounce this word as joule, okay, Joule. first letter should be in small letter, okay, not be in capital letter. You have to write the first letter should be in capital letter, okay. so this is arrived from the, okay, so this unit is arrived from the scientist James Joule, okay. so அந்த James Joule வந்து யார் அப்படின்னா who explained this theory, okay. so இந்த theory சொன்னோம்ல the law of conservation of, okay, இது ஒரு theory ன்னு சொல்லலாம் or concept, okay, or phenomena, okay. so this theory வந்து எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணவர் யார், கொடுத்தவர் யார் அப்படின்னா ஜேம்ஸ் ஜூல். ஓகே, ஸோ அவரோட நேம்லேருந்து என்ன பண்ணாச்சு, வி கால்ட் இட் அஸ் த ஜூல். SI யூனிட் ஆஃப் எனர்ஜி இஸ் ஜூல். ஓகே ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்.